Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix app not available in your country. So guys, if you want to search a specific app and it's not showing in the app store and you want to install it, and you have opened your Safari browser and just simply search there the same app, and you tap on that app and it will redirect to you to your app store and showing this type of error: app not available, this app is currently not available in your country. So how can you fix this issue? Just simply close this page from here, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings. Now after that, what you need to do is just simply scroll it down and just simply tap on general. Now scroll it down from here and just simply tap on VPN and device management. Here it is guys. Now tap on VPN and make sure that you are not connected with VPN. Okay guys, if you have connected with VPN, just simply disconnect VPN from your device and then go back. Just simply tap on date and time and make sure that if this toggle is turned on, so make sure that your time zone is also selected correctly. So you have to tap on this one and then go back from here to your settings menu and just simply tap on your Apple ID banner. Now scroll it down from here and just simply tap on media and purchases. Again tap on view account. Now you have to wait for a while because it's loading from here. So after that you will see this type of interface. Just simply tap on country origin option because that app is not available in your country. That's why you have to change your country. Okay guys, just simply tap on change country origin. Now from here you have to select another country in which that app is available. So you have to select the same country in which that app is available. So you have to change the country from here. So just simply select the country and after that you will see this type of interface. So here are the terms and conditions. So you have to read these carefully and just simply tap on agree here. And as you can see guys, showing here another pop-up. Just simply tap on agree again. Now from here you have to scroll it down and just simply put here your billing address. So you can put fake one. So you can also put fake one. This one. So from here you have to select your city name. Here it is guys, and here you have to put the postcode of your city. If you don't know about the postcode of your city, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser. So you have to put the correct postcode, and here you have to put the phone number. So you can put fake one as well. Just simply tap on next, and after that your country origin will be changed and your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.